Hey, this is Joe Souther with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams. I'm out here today at 4221 Bocca Woods Drive out here in East Orlando, 32826. I wanted to announce a couple open houses for this weekend. We'll be out here Saturday and Sunday, December 7th and 8th from 12 to 3. Once again, 4221 Bocca Woods Drive. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house is conveniently located behind UCF, just minutes away from State Road 408, as well as the Waterford Lakes Town Center. Now, these owners have done a lot of work on the house. They've installed a new roof, gorgeous new roof, new AC, new hinges and springs on the garage door. And as we walk into the home here, you'll notice brand new flooring in this house as well. Flooring's been installed in the last few weeks, and they've also put a fresh coat of paint on the inside of the house here recently. So this home opens up to a nice large living area, nice large living space, dining area, as well as a large kitchen. They have granite countertops, large cabinets, and all the appliances in the kitchen are less than 2 years old, and they're all stainless steel, relatively new appliances. It's absolutely beautiful in here. Like I said, a fresh coat of paint as well. Once again, we're at 4221 Bocca Woods Drive out here in East Orlando, 32826. We'll be out here doing open houses this weekend from December 7th and 8th from 12 to 3. Let's take a quick look out back just to give you an idea. It's a nice screened-in patio back here. Be a great place to sit on a beautiful Florida afternoon, especially this time of year. And then this opens up into a backyard that actually has a gazebo out back here. Freshly painted gazebo. A nice area for spending time with family or just, hanging out with a few friends. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Once again, this is Joe Souther with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams. Out here at 4221 Bocca Woods Drive. We'll be doing open houses this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, December 7th and 8th, from 12 to 3. The owners, like I said, have done a lot of work on this house. This home is gorgeous. It's move-in ready. New floors, new AC, new paint, new roof, new hinges and springs in the garage door. There's even new toilets in this house. Like I said, they've done a lot of work. Please come visit us. I would love to meet you. If the times don't work for you, please feel free to give me a call. And at my direct line, 407-791-3754. Once again, this is Joe Souther with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams. Let me know if we can set up a private showing. Like I said, if those times don't work. I look forward to talking with you. Hey, have a great weekend.